SSD upgrade, and deep cleaning on Sony PCG-61313 laptop. Thank you, Sir John Ray, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The Sony PCG has been upgraded with a Patriot 128GB 2.5-inch SATA SSD and undergone a deep cleaning, significantly enhancing its overall performance, speed, and reliability. The SSD upgrade has resulted in faster boot times, improved system responsiveness, and better data transfer speeds, making the laptop more efficient for everyday tasks and multitasking. Additionally, the deep cleaning process has helped optimize the laptop's cooling system by removing dust and debris, which can lead to overheating and reduce performance over time. This ensures better airflow, lower operating temperatures, and improved longevity of internal components. With these upgrades, the Sony G61313L is now running more smoothly and efficiently, making it a more reliable device for various computing needs. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. SSD upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade and deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.